Welcome to www.serviceplusauto.ny.com. Today's topic, how to do an engine tune-up. One of the prerequisites of a well-maintained car is a frequently tuned-up engine. If this is not done on a regular basis, the car will cease to be usable in a very short time. Fortunately, there are many car repair shops where you can get an affordable engine tune. On the other hand, you can do minor repairs at home by following these steps. First off, start by wearing all the necessary safety equipment. This is because needs of engine tuning require that a lot of effort be used, along with dangerous tools and chemicals. To prevent unnecessary accidents, you should wear safety goggles, closed leather shoes, high-grade latex gloves, etc. before starting your engine tune. The next step is working on the most important parts of the engine. You find that if engine tune-up is done on a regular basis, you will only need to work on the spark plugs, air filter, distributor cap, and rotor. You may also need to replace other parts depending on the situation and engine type. You should then remove the air filter by releasing the clips that hold the air filter box cover. The mechanism allows you to do this without having to use complex tools. In most cases, the debris that accumulate in the air filter box are the main causes of engine breakdown, meaning that you should vacuum the box during each engine tune. The air filter is then replaced depending on its condition. On the other hand, you could just blow out the debris using a specialized pressure tool. After you are satisfied that this aspect of the engine tune-up is done, reinstall the air filter and the box cover. The other needs of engine tuning that need work are the spark plugs. This aspect of the engine tune will need specialized tools like the ratchet, socket extension, and a spark plug socket. You should carefully grip the plug wire boot, remove the wire from the spark plug, and finally remove the spark plug from the cylinder. This is usually a very tricky part of the engine tune, meaning that first-timers should follow the manual very carefully or undertake it in the presence of an experienced repairman. In most cases, the spark plugs should be replaced, meaning that you should have new ones at hand. After removing the old ones, manually thread the new ones in and tighten them using your ratchet and spark plug socket. Once this is done, reconnect the individual spark plug wires, making sure to follow the directions laid out in the engine tune-up manual. The last part of the engine tune-up is the replacement of the distributor cap. This aspect of the engine tune is done first by removing the distributor cap along with the related wires, an activity that's almost intuitive. You should then replace the rotor, install a new distributor cap, and then transfer the wires from the old cap to the new one, taking extra care not to mismatch them. At this point, your engine tune-up is done. To find out more information on topics like this, then go to www.serviceplusauto.ny.com.